Alright, so way up where Adrian is the most potential energy. Right where his finger is. Now, when he drops the marble, it's going to come down into this loop. And right about there is where the most kinetic energy is. That goes into a separate loop that again drops down into a flat section to one more loop. Coming to our little bucket system, it drops into the spiral, coming and spiraling down into the bucket. Alright, so let's see it. Let's see this in action. Will it do it? Will it be what we wanted it to be? And it got stuck. Yeah, it got stuck again. Alright, let's see it. And this is going to be a good one. And it drops down in there through the spiral. Slowly but surely goes into the bucket.
Alright, let's send rapid fire.
We're going rapid fire. Send them. That there is the best roller coaster ever, with its own bucket drop into a spiral that's sure to puke you up. Then for the final cushion of the bucket. Goodbye, and see you next time on Roller Coaster Bros. Yeah.
This is our start of the roller coaster, where the potential energy is at the most. So when you drop the marble, or when you're holding the marble before you drop it, that is the pinnacle of the potential energy. And then, as you come down, you have the most kinetic energy right before the loop. As you start, you build speed. Kinetic energy is the energy of speed. As you come down the track, you come to this section before the loop. That is the most kinetic energy in our roller coaster. And as you'll see when I drop the marble, you can see how fast it really is. And then there's the
Rolling. So as you can see, the least kinetic energy is right after this roll, because it has a long stretch with not a lot of incline. An incline can create kinetic energy. So if you were to drop the marble like right here and drop it, the thing wouldn't make it halfway up here. So Adrian right now is going to drop the marble, and we will witness the most and least kinetic energy. Alright, so right after the flat section, after the roller, it comes into this spiral. Now, the spiral has a different force acting on it, which is centrifugal force. So if I was to cut this pipe in half, it would stay in the pipe the whole way, even if I went inverted, or in our case, sideways. Now, this probably has the least amount of kinetic energy. Though it has centrifugal force, it's not inclined enough to create a lot of kinetic energy. So as you'll see, when Adrian drops the marble next, it will go very slow and barely pop out at the end. Go. Alright, so right now we are ready to see centrifugal force in action. It's coming down, coming down. You there, buddy? Okay.